Hey everybody, welcome back to Villains and Vice. I'm Beth, and today we have another Bibbidi unboxing. If you are unfamiliar with Bibbidi Boxes, they are a monthly subscription box so you can get mailed to your house. They run from $9.99 for stickers and decals all the way up to $2.99 for multiple designer items. I get the Ultimate Magic Box, which kind of falls in the middle. It's $129 every month plus shipping, and I absolutely love them. The way it works is you have a preference sheet that you kind of will fill out, and that'll run for all of your boxes. You put your likes, dislikes, favorite characters, favorite movies, things you would love to get in a box, like if you collect Jim Shores or Loungeflies or jewelry, or you like coffee. So it's very, very customizable. And then in addition to your preference sheet, every month they put out this wish list, and it's pages and pages of items that you can add to your personal wish list in hopes that you might get that in your box. Now, I have a very specific preference sheet, so I almost never put anything on my wish list, and Bibbidi never disappoints. Unlike a now defunct company that sent me a Man in the Mouse box that was, if I said a disappointment, that would be a huge understatement. Check out that video, the box is atrocious. So this is my June box. Again, didn't put anything on my wish list. I have no idea what's in here, so let's find out together. It's the regular gray box. You've seen this one. It has the Bibbidi logo, and then the ice cream, and the balloons, and cotton candy, small world. And then on the inside, we have a packing slip, which we will put off to the side, no cheating. And I have gray tissue paper this time. Under that tissue paper, I can already see a gazillion foozles. Dig around in here. All right, so our first little item is this guy. So this is a Disney Showcase Brito. I've got to dig him out. This is obviously going to be for Mike to put in his office because Mike loves Pascal. It is hands down his #1 character in all of Disney, if you can believe that. Pascal. He is stupid cute. So you look at him and he's like patchwork. Looks like he's a chameleon going into a million different directions, right? He has a pink leg and a striped leg and a purple polka dotted leg that looks like Mad Madam Mim. Purple leg. Polka dot tail. He is cute. Mike's gonna love him. And look how little he is. He's so cute. That's perfect. That's perfect. All right, what else do we have in here? So just by feeling around, I know what this is. It's probably the only other item in here. It's not. What's this thing? Before I get to that, there's this. So this is more Star Wars jewelry. And these are cute. I think Maddie could even wear these. There's Yoda and Darth Vader, R2-D2, the Resistance symbol, little Leia's, and TIE fighters. Oh my gosh. These are adorable. I've started getting more Star Wars things in my box. Probably because I got that lamp for Mike that one time. But I have to say, I like the stuff they've sent me. Obviously that lamp, I did put that on my wish list. But I got a really cool bracelet. I got some earrings, and I got a package of bracelets. So it's all been jewelry. It's all been jewelry for me, but I love them. This is great. Those are cool. And I also got this, my friends at Two Tiny Wings, Allie and Pete, they got one of these in their box. I wonder if everybody's getting these. Super, super cute. It's a Disney Parks Resorts exclusive. So you can put it on, you know, your laptop or a notebook or something. Very, very cute. But the coup de grace of this box is this. Allie got another loungefly. And I can see through the paper that it is villain. Time out while I cut all of this paper off. Okay, so not only are they villains, they are pop villains. So they are extra cute. All my favorites are on here, all of our old friends. There's the Evil Queen and Cruella, Queen of Hearts, Captain Hook, Hades, Ursula, Maleficent, and then some of their little motifs like the red roses and the heart, shell, ooh, poison apple, you know I love that. There's a little pop emblem, a little feet on the bottom, so he stands up on his own, which I really like because nobody wants your purse toppling over. I have to say, every month when I open these boxes, I have so much trash. Oh, so the lining is cute. The lining is just like the bag itself, but it's red, like a burgundy. I don't know if I can get you to see that. There's a pouch on one side and then a zipper on the other side. And it comes with a strap, so if you didn't want to just carry it around by the handles, put the strap on it and have it be a shoulder bag. This is so very cute. I actually really love this because I mean I like my lounge flies, but I'm not a backpack person. I'm just not a backpack person. This is super, super cute. I can't get over their little pop faces. Ugh. I have to say, I think pop style on the bag, Cruella's my favorite. Just look at her. She is a queen, y'all. So, that's my box this time. I got my little Pascal, I got my little sticker, got my cute little Star Wars earrings, and my cute little Pop Villains purse. Light years above the Mickey loot box that I opened. That was valued at $300. This was like a third of the price and like 5 times the value, honestly. If you are interested in the subscription box, there are a bunch of companies out there, but I have to say from personal experience, I have never, ever, not one time, been disappointed by my BibbidiBox. I think the key is just to have a very specific preference sheet. You have to let them know what you like and what you don't like, because they don't know. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. You'll have to let me know in the comments what your favorite part of this box was. And let me know if you've gotten a BibbidiBox. Also, let me know if you've gotten a Mickey Loot box and if you were disappointed in your Mickey Loot treatment. Thank you guys for coming. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye.